Want a little more privacy on Messenger? In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off your active status so other people can't see when you're online or recently active. First of all, open the Messenger applications and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines and is usually located in the corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings gear icon to access your Messenger account settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find active status and tap on it. You'll see an option called Show when you're active. This setting controls whether your friends and contacts can see when you're online or recently active on Messenger. To disable it, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. After turning it off, Messenger may ask how long you'd like to pause your active status. Choose the option that best fits your needs. For example, you can select Until I change it if you want to keep your status hidden until you manually turn it back on later. Once you've made your selection, tap Turn off to confirm. Messenger will immediately update your settings and your active status will no longer be visible to others. Keep in mind that when you turn off active status, you also won't be able to see when other people are active on Messenger. This is part of Messenger's privacy system. You've successfully turned off Messenger active status and can now use Messenger with a little more privacy and control over your online presence.